In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails on Google Forms submission. If you're someone who frequently uses Google Forms and wants a seamless way to notify respondents or team members automatically, this guide will help you achieve just that in a few simple steps. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a Google form. You might be using this form to gather feedback, collect survey data, or manage event registrations. The flexibility of Google Forms is one of its best features, and today we'll focus on automating those email notifications. So once your form is set up to your liking, meaning you've added all your questions and designed it how you want, you'll want to link it to a Google Sheet. Why link it to a sheet, you may wonder? Well, this is where all your form responses will aggregate. It makes it significantly easier to track and manage the data you receive. Now, after you've successfully linked your form to a Google Sheet, the next step is to open that linked sheet. This will serve as your central hub where the real magic will happen. With your sheet open, it's time to delve into the world of add-ons. At the top of your spreadsheet interface, you'll see the menu bar. Click on Extensions. A drop-down will appear, and from there, navigate to Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This action will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's a treasure trove of tools designed to enhance your Google Suite capabilities. Among the many options available, you'll specifically want to install one of these add-ons, either Form Notifications or Email Notifications for Forms. Both of these tools are effective for sending automated emails based on form submissions. Now, in the search bar of the Marketplace, just type one of those names in and click Install. Keep an eye out. You might need to authorize the add-on to access your Google account, so make sure you look out for any prompts asking for necessary permissions. Once your add-on is installed, it's time to configure it. This is where you can personalize how the email automation works. Open the add-on by clicking on Extensions again, then select your installed add-on from the list and follow the setup instructions. These interfaces are usually fairly user-friendly, leading you step by step through the configuration process. You can choose to send an email notification to the respondent, which could be useful for confirming receipt of their submission. Alternatively, you might want to set it up to notify an admin, or perhaps yourself, whenever a new response is recorded, keeping everyone in the loop. It's essential to remember to set the notification trigger specifically for form submissions. This setting tells the add-on to send emails immediately after someone hits the Submit button on your form. And that's it. You've set everything in place. Now, with this configuration, your process is streamlined, efficient, and automated. If you followed along, pat yourself on the back because in just a few minutes, you've successfully set up automatic email notifications for your Google form. This setup not only saves you time, but also enhances communication, keeping everyone informed effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I genuinely hope you find this tutorial helpful for your future endeavors with Google Forms. It's a powerful tool once you get the hang of it, and with features like this, you can put your focus on collecting data and insights without worrying about notification logistics. See you in the next tutorial.